Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2023 of CDS exam 1. We have solved question number up to 78 in the last video, and two questions are left. And for these two questions there are some instructions. Actually the instructions are for 10 items. We have solved 8 items. So I am reading out instructions again in this video to solve 79th and 80th question. So instructions are: each item contains a question followed by two statements. Answer each item using the following instructions. Option A: choose this option if the question can be answered by one of the statements alone but not by the other. Option B: choose this option if the question can be answered by either statement alone. Option C: choose this option if the question can be answered by using both the statement together but cannot be answered by using either statement alone. Option D: choose this option if question cannot be answered even by using both the statement together. So for question number 79, question number 79 is: the length of two longer sides of the triangle are 25 centimeters, 24 centimeters. Question: what is the length of the shortest side? Statement 1: the angles of triangle are in the ratio 1 ratio 2 ratio 3. Statement 2: the length of the perpendicular drawn on the longest side of triangle from its opposite vertex is 6.72 centimeters. So this is your triangle, and one of the side is 25, another is 24. As ratio of angle is given as 1 ratio 2 ratio 3, so suppose angle are x, 2x, and 3x. Summation of angles of triangle are triangle is 180. So from this we get x as 30 and 3x as 90. So this is your right angle triangle. This is the longest side, and this is in between, and this is smaller side. So now smaller side can be determined as hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square root, so that is your smaller side. So question can be answered by this statement. Now using second statement, the length of perpendicular on the taking the longest side as base is your 6.72. So this is your 25. This perpendicular is 6.72, and this other side is 24, and this is for third side of dimension x. So now from this 25 and 6.72 we can determine the area of triangle. That is 20 base into perpendicular by 2. And from the hero's rule, 25, taking 25, 24 and x, we can also determine the area of triangle in terms of x. So by using hero's rule, s will be your x plus 25 plus 24 by 2, and a will be your root s bracket s minus a within bracket s minus b within bracket s minus b. A is for 25, b is 24, and c is your x. Okay. So by now we have this area in terms of x. Equating these two areas we can determine x. Hence question can be answered by both the statements individually. Answer is option B. Question number 8 is: a chord PQ of the circle C divides it into two segments such that the 3 times the area of the major segment is 4 times the area of the minor segment. Question: what is the radius of C? Statement 1: the area of minor segment is 66 square centimeter. Statement 2: area of major segment is 88 square centimeter. So here from the segment area, radius can be determined. Okay, because in statement 1 the area of minor segment is given 66, and in statement 2 the area of major segment is given, that is 88, and it is given that the area in the ratio of 3 and 4. Okay, so from these 3 and 4 ratio we can determine the area of full circle from the either of the statement from this 66 and from this major segment as 88. Okay, or so from this 66 we can determine the area of total circle. So this is your minor segment. Okay, and if we know the area of this segment and the area ratio, we have 3 major and 4 minor, so we can determine the whole area, and area is pi r square, so r can be determined. If we know the area of this portion, major segment, we can determine the area of whole circle, then we can determine the radius of circle. So question can be answered by both the statement. Answer is option